Alright, YouTube, I got this lock, this little railroad lock. I did a little research on it. I bought it at an antique store, and I don't have any, I don't have a key for it. This is the kind of lock that used to be on like a railroad, hell, I can't remember what the hell it's called. Seaboard Coast Line, that's it. Seaboard Coast Line Railroad, SCLRR. Alright, anyway, so what I'm going to do is make a key for this because it doesn't have a lock. This is a Adlake, A-D-L-A-K-E. They used this particular style up into the 70s. But anyway, what I plan to do is I looked up what a key looks like for one of these. And I know the general shape. So I've got this piece of regular old brass pipe. And it barely fits in there. I'm going to have to work on it a little bit. And I got to get this general shape that goes like this. And then there's a... Anyway, I'm going to play with it. See if I can get it going and bring you guys along for the ride. I just started making videos. I'd like to do it on a regular basis. I don't know. We'll see how this goes. If you have any questions or comments, you let me know. But I enjoy tinkering in the garage, and I like to share my experiences with other people because I enjoy watching their videos. So we'll see what we can do. Crap. Woo. Okay. Okay, these are the PC parts. I'm going to solder this together so this will fit. What I'm trying to do is get this to fit into here, and then solder that piece on there, and then I got to work it out. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to solder this piece on here, kind of like that, and I'm going to work out the different notches for the skeleton key part. And then I'm going to put this bullet on that I've already, or shell casing that I've already mocked up, and then I'm going to put this ring on, and it's going to go down here in the bottom, but you'll see all that in a minute. Okay, alright, I got it soldered, and you can see the general shape. Sorry for the blurry. I got the general shape, and it fits in my lock pretty good. I've got to cut a line right here, a relief cut, and then one over here, but I don't know where to put that sideways one yet. So I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I've got the bottom notch roughed out. When you put it in the hole, oops, you put it in the hole, it seats now, and you can start to turn it. Now, I've seen the key that fits this lock online, because so I've seen a picture of the lock, and it has a cutout right here in the middle after I've done this cutout. So we're gonna play with it a little bit and see if we can get it to work. Okay, I got the key. It's roughed up right now. It's not even cleaned up all the way, as you can see. Yeah, I'm gonna try it out. What? First, wait, that's crazy. It's ugly and it still worked. That's just by looking at a picture of a key I saw on the internet, just judging it by eye. That's pretty good. Okay, I just had to pick it up. I had to pick it up and close it manually with two hands. I don't probably need some oil or something on the inside. Let's see, so you guys can. What? Awesome. Alright, I'm going to clean it up, and then I'm going to solder the end on it in this ring. It'll look something like this. Key's going to look something like that when they get done. That's the idea. Alright, here we go. Alright, well, this is it after cleaning up. I'm going to clean it up now and show you the end result. Alright, cleaned it up. It's not perfect. The shell casing is a little crooked on top, but a couple hour little project that I did. It was fun. Needed something to do. My name's JT, Living Life Fishing, name of my YouTube channel, and let's try it out. Yes, sir. Thank you.